It is February 10, 2010, and going on into the second blizzard of the week. This one actually is officially a blizzard because of the winds that have come in and the snow drifts it's created. Oh my, I've come out to shovel. First do a quick view of the damage. Well, it's not finished, as you can tell. Still snowing quite a bit. Woohoo! This will be a snow video not starring Laia. This is worse conditions than the other storm. Wow. But it's beautiful. Not every day you can go out into a blizzard. And actually it was worse about an hour and a half ago. There's our car.